Gara S.A. Akam. Crush I.
Mag-exercise ni karon guys. Hello Crush.
Hi, Harry.
Hello Crush.
Hi, Harry.
Mag-walking mini hobby karon. Happy Sunday everyone. Sana good ang inyong adlaw karon. Kaya mo adri is very good with my handsome husband. Ay handsome beshi.
Drama.
With my husband beshi. He is my beshi. Beshi slash husband. So, ako lang naman yung magandang pasahero ng asawa ko ngayon. You're beautiful passenger. Char, beautiful na walang ligo, walang tulog, wala. Tamang pabuang-buang.
Yeah, pabuang ka.
Tamang pabuang-buang lang si Dave. Oh, buang-buang. Ah, yeah.
This road.
Yeah, lots of people.
Must have been from the races.
Maybe.
Because this is a nice long straight on the track where people can watch them for a long time.
Yeah, possible like that though, in the racing.